Hi, I'm Vicki Nantz. I drove down from Orlando today because what you decide to do here in Sarasota County will actually have some bearing on me, as it will on all domestic partners in the state of Florida, either positively or negatively. There are over 1 million gay residents in Florida, and we live in every county in the state, including Sarasota County. And for those of us who don't live in Sarasota County, we vacation here, we visit relatives here, we work here, or we simply drive through your county lines going somewhere else. So what happens to us within your county lines is critically important to us, and we have a vested interest in that as Florida residents. I just wanted to show you, there's been some talk about it. This is my Orange County DP card, my domestic partnership card. My relationship is identified by a document number. When I hand this off to a doctor or a hospital, there's a document number which attaches to an affidavit which is recorded at the county comptroller's office. It is available 24/7 to hospitals, nursing homes, mental health facilities, jails, funeral homes, all the places we none want to be at. This DP card does not give me or my partner transferable rights throughout the state of Florida. It simply tells facilities within Orange County that they need to give my partner and I access to each other at times of crisis or emergency. That's all it does. And it seems like a little bit of something, but it's a whole lot of something when something like death occurs, when something like a horrible accident occurs. These are important, vital things. This is not a political stunt. This is about families trying to scratch out the most basic rights for each other because the state of Florida won't. Prior to a DPR passing in Orlando and Orange County, I witnessed the devastation of not having legal protections through my friends. My friends Joyce and Claudia were partners for 10 years when Claudia was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. They had every legal paper that all of us responsible gay couples have and are told to have. We had them, she had them. They walked into the hospital together with that stack of papers. I was in the room when Claudia's power of attorney to Joyce was not honored. They had to rouse Claudia from a near comatic state and bring in a notary to have her sign another form. It does happen. I was also in the room when Joyce's constant presence at Claudia's side was questioned by every medical person that came in the room, and if you've been in the hospital, you know that's dozens and dozens of people all day long. And when Claudia died at the hospice, Joyce was then told that she was not allowed by Florida law to arrange her funeral. Imagine being told that. Any of you who has a spouse, on that day when you lose your spouse, you've not only lost the most important person in your life, but you are not allowed to arrange the funeral. Well, that happened to Joyce, and she had to call an out-of-state relative to arrange Claudia's funeral. This also happened to my friend Billy when he lost his partner, Alan, of 11 years. Alan's anti-gay family swept in from Georgia and claimed Alan's body at the morgue and had it cremated without ever telling Billy. Imagine that happening to you. Can you imagine that happening to you? Imagine being regarded by your state and by your county as a legal stranger to your lifelong spouse, the most important person in your life. All of us get sick, all of us die, and all of us will grieve in our lives. So please pass a DPR here in Sarasota County that will be reciprocal and that will recognize my domestic partnership in Orange County, or allow me at the very least to register here so that if we have a health crisis while we are in your county, that we will have access to each other and be treated with dignity and respect. Make Sarasota County welcoming to all families. Thank you.